This question is about an element X and compound YZ. We are given two equations here. The first equation, element X reacts with acid to form a +2 charged cation and hydrogen gas. Only metals will react with acid to form hydrogen gas. So X is a metal. What kind of metal? Example, group 2 metals. Why group 2 metals? Because +2 charged cation is formed in the reaction. So group 2 metals will react with acid to form +2 charged cation. Besides group 2 metals, some metals in the D block elements will also form +2 charged cations with acid. For example, zinc, copper, they are also metals. Now, in the second equation, it is a reaction between YZ and acid. Again, a +2 charged cation is formed and a H2Z gas is formed. So again, Y is a metal that will form +2 charged cation. So YZ compound, let me give you a few examples to show how this reaction can happen. The first example that I want to give will be magnesium oxide. Magnesium 2 cation is formed and H2Z is H2O in this case. So you can see that Y is a metal here and Z is a non-metal. Second example, zinc sulfide reacts with acid to form zinc 2 cation and hydrogen sulfide gas. Now with this example, we can try to see which statements are correct about X and YZ compound. Statement 1. Atomic mass of X is the same as the molecular mass of YZ. This statement is correct. The reason is because in the question they say when 1 gram of X or YZ is reacted with acid, the total volume of gas formed is the same. If H2 and H2Z have the same volume, their number of moles will be the same. From both the equations, 1 mole of X will form 1 mole of hydrogen gas, 1 mole of YZ will form 1 mole of H2Z gas. So that means the number of mole of X will be the same as the number of mole of YZ. So if the mass that we use is 1 gram for each of them, to find the number of mole for each of them, 1 gram over atomic mass of X will be equals to 1 gram divided by the molecular mass of YZ. So if they are the same, that means the atomic mass of X is the same as the molecular mass of YZ. That is why statement 1 is correct. Let us look at statement 2 now. Statement 2 says that X and Y are metals. So let's look at the possible X. We have written here group 2 metals, zinc or copper. They are all metals. So X is a metal. We now look at examples for YZ, magnesium oxide or zinc sulfide. So in each example, Y is a metal. So statement 2 is correct. Both X and Y are metals. Last statement, X and Y must both be in the same group of the periodic table. Element X has so many possible identities. It can be group 2 metal, it can be zinc, it can be copper. Y also has many possible identity like magnesium or zinc. So it It's not a must for them to be in the same group of the periodic table. Therefore, statement 3 is incorrect. Answer to this question will be 1 and 2 are correct.